Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to invite a work colleague to a calendar event using Microsoft Office 365 calendar on my computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365, Company for Work, School of Business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Let's now go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account, and now go to calendar. Let's now create a calendar event as we have done this in the previous tutorial. You can go watch those videos, or you can stay on this video and I will quickly walk you through how to create a new event, as we will be inviting a work colleague. For this tutorial, for the purpose of this video, I will be using the admin account, so add a title. Upload a video to YouTube, and now invite attendees. Admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. There you go. So it will be today's date, and within the next half an hour, let's say, and we can now send. So that has now been sent. Let's now go all the way down to the dock again. Go to Google Chrome. Make sure you are signed into the other account if you are doing it the way I do it. Let's now go to calendar. And the invite should be on screen. If not, let's now go back to Office 365. Go to your inbox on Outlook, and there we have the event. We can now click yes to let the individual know that created the event that we will be attending the event. That's all done. Minimize Chrome for the moment. Go to Safari. Reload the page. Go to the event itself. And the admin has accepted the invite, so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.